Section 12. Food Table. The following table exhibits the percentage chemical composition of the principal vegetable food materials, also of dairy produce and common flesh foods, for comparison. Note: the amount of heat that will raise 1 kilogram of water 1 degree Celsius is termed a calorie. Fuel value, or food units, means the number of calories of heat equivalent to the energy it is assumed the body obtains from food when the nutrients thereof are completely digested. Vegetable foods. Wheat flour. Protein 18.8%. Fat 1.9%. Carbohydrates 71.9%. Salts 1%. Water 11.4%. Fuel value 1,675 calories per pound. Oatmeal. Protein 16.1%. Fat 7.2%. Carbohydrates 67.5%. Salts 1.9%. Water 7.3%. Fuel value 1,860 calories per pound. Rice. Protein 8%, fat 0.3%, carbohydrates 79.0%, salts 0.4%, water 12.3%. Fuel value 1,630 calories per pound. Barley. Protein 8.5%, fat 1.1%, carbohydrates 77.8%, salts 1.1%, water 11.5%. Fuel value 1,650 calories per pound. Cornmeal. Protein 9.2%, fat 1.9%, carbohydrates 75.4%, salts 1%, water 12.5%. Fuel value 1,655 calories per pound. Rye. Protein 0.8%, fat 0.9%, carbohydrates 78.7%, salts 0.7%, water 12.9%. Fuel value 1,630 calories per pound. Lentils, dried. Protein 25.7%, fat 1%, carbohydrates 59.2%, salts 5.7%, water 8.4%. Fuel value 1,620 calories per pound. Beans, dried. Protein 22.5%, fat 1.8%, carbohydrates 59.6%, salts 3.5%, water 12.6%. Fuel value 1,605 calories per pound. Peas, dried. Protein 24.6%, fat 1%, carbohydrates 62%, salts 2.9%, water 9.5%. Fuel value 1,655 calories per pound. Nuts, various, average. Protein 16%, fat 52%, carbohydrates 20%, salts 2%, water 10%. Fuel value 2,640 calories per pound. Dates. Protein 2.1%, fat 2.8%, carbohydrates 78.4%, salts 1.3%, water 15.4%. Fuel value 1,615 calories per pound. Figs. Protein 4.3%, fat 0.3%, carbohydrates 74.2%, salts 2.4%, water 18.8%. Fuel value 1,475 calories per pound. Potatoes. Protein 2.2%, fat 0.1%, carbohydrates 18.4%, salts 1%, water 78.3%. Fuel value 385 calories per pound. Apples. Protein 0.4%, fat 0.5%, carbohydrates 14.2%, salts 0.3%, water 84.6%. Fuel value 290 calories per pound. Bananas. Protein 1.3%, fat 0.6%, carbohydrates 22%, salts 0.8%, water 75.3%. Fuel value 460 calories per pound. Dairy foods. Milk, whole, not skim. Protein 3.3%, fat 4%, carbohydrates 5%, salts 0.7%, water 87%. Fuel value 325 calories per pound. Cheese, various, average. Protein 24.5%, fat 28.4%, carbohydrates 2.1%, salts 4%, water 41%. Fuel value 1,779 calories per pound. Hen's eggs, boiled. Protein 14%, fat 12%, carbohydrates 0%, salts 0.8%, water 73.2%. Fuel value 765 calories per pound. Flesh foods. Beef. Protein 18.6%, fat 19.1%, carbohydrates 0%, salts 1%, water 61.3%. Fuel value 1,155 calories per pound. Mutton, medium fat. Protein 18.2%, fat 18%, carbohydrates 0%, salts 1%, water 62.8%. Fuel value 1,105 calories per pound. Ham, fresh. Protein 15.6%, fat 33.4%, carbohydrates 0%, salts 0.9%, water 50.1%. Fuel value 1,700 calories per pound. Fowl. Protein 19%, fat 16.3%, carbohydrates 0%, salts 1%, water 63.7%. Fuel value 1,045 calories per pound. Whitefish, as purchased. Protein 22.1%, fat 6.5%, carbohydrates 0%, salts 1.6%, water 69.8%. Fuel value 700 calories per pound. End of section 12.